Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to open a Capital One checking account online. Start by opening CapitalOne.com in your web browser. Then, choose Checking and Savings from the top. Here, click on View All Checking Accounts. On scrolling down, you will find 360 Checking and MoneyTeen checking accounts. Select the one you wish and click on Open Account. Now choose Yes if you have a Capital One login, or No if you don't. Click on Continue. Now here, enter your first name and last name. Then click Continue. Next, provide your email address and confirm it. Then, click Continue. Enter your mobile phone number to continue. After that, fill in your residential address, apartment or suite, city, state, and zip code. Once done, click to continue. Select your country of citizenship, then click Continue. Next, choose your current employment status and annual income. Enter your birth date and social security number, then click Continue. Accept the terms and conditions. Scroll down and click on Continue. You will see two options. You can text or call through automated means, or you can call or contact through non-automated means. Select the option that works best for you. After selecting your desired option, read the pop-up and click on Continue. Now, select if you have been notified by the IRS that you are subject to backup withholding. Scroll down and check this box to continue. Double check that all your information is correct before proceeding, as you won't be able to go back and change it. Finally, click on Confirm and Continue. Your Capital One checking account will be opened. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.